Alkaline sell out the Barclays. Him go Jamaica, go mash up again after champs thing. And people, I say, I make a comparison.
A few moments later.
Industry. But the issue we may have, just like what Cartel just do, touch the international market and go and perform with Cardi B. That are the thing when we want them get in at them thick skull. Said,
hey y'all, come look at this.
It's the time on the ticket watch Alkaline sold out arena down in Miami. Wanna go watch this. Uno so concerned about everything with Alkaline do. Uno never go over on the artist. Uno never even appear on the artist's mind. Same drop on fuckery song.
May I represent for one Media Fox? Media Fox, Media Fox. How the latest news them lock?
Man, don't say me see that youth here. Big up on yourself. Respect for the supporters. I mean, you don't know Media Fox. Yeah, man, we in a building. You see it? Yeah, man. Big up on yourself. So, I think we see that brother here, like him fought from over Africa. You see me? But he must say something. You see me? So, I just want to know here what I go on.
Talk about Ella Batley, popularly known as Alkaline, Jamaican the most controversial artist. Alkaline the only young artist we sacrifice in life then in career to challenge the almighty vibes catalog. Let's take it back. Alkaline was born on the 19th December 1993. When Alkaline catch 13, he started to make freestyle for school. Yeah, then he started in musical career. Alkaline was very brilliant. He was even contesting for his school science and math quiz. And when he was a kid, he wanted to be a doctor or a research scientist.
Singing there, Captain Ireland.
Thank you. Good evening, Jamaica. My name is Erland Bartley. My hobbies are singing, dancing, reading, and acting. In the future, God's willing, I will become a doctor or a research scientist. Thank you.
Yo, you know, say I always listen to that video there with Alkaline when him say, might be a doctor. You want to be a doctor or research scientist. See? I mean, I look on the people. I mean, I say, yo, you know, say, it's like the more I think, you know, say, I realize, say, that youth come like him is a scientist, like, of dancehall, you know, like, the youth, if you realize how the youth busting at the game, scientists always come up with, you know, invent something or find some different thing, you know, research something. The youth does everything he will do some of the time, he does change the game. Him always find him own a way. You understand? Him own a thing them. Remember when the youth found out Black Eye Ball? Then him start drop a bag of hits after that. You understand? Some of us feel like say, yo, the youth are some scientist thing, man. Yo, it's like, you understand? The man say, yo, only invent and reinvent. You understand? The youth just always try create something. Like, if the crowd did take that part there, for reach certain location, he might try create one next part for reach there. So it might take a longer time, but he might create it. But he might do some different thing where the people who will usually over there so do nah do. And that's why I tell the youth are real scientists in our business. And how scientists work, scientists move like silence. You will see them just do them thing. Somewhere try find something and them quiet. And you may be dead and I say, yo, wait man, every day him get up and I do this, way. Until you see one day when them find something. I saw Alkaline move. You understand? I saw Alkaline move. You see it? So, when me hear him say that, me I say, yo, I wonder if the youth I try be some kind of scientist in the dancehall space. Where I try find some ways for reach to certain level than where did I go on like before. Like him want to reach to some, like with the dancehall space, want to reach to some level in a different way. He might try research some different way. I try find a different path how to reach to that level there. You understand? Yeah, man.
With you, name the two main organs that are protected by your ribs.
The lungs and the heart.
That's correct. What name is Erland?
Yo, dog. Yo, the play the real badly, but say lungs, heart. Yo, I tell you.
Back to you. What name is given to the initial stage of sexual development in humans?
Puberty.
That's correct.
So the voice you heard on his song Conquer the World, the song intro was actually his own voice.
My name is Roland Bartley. My hobbies are singing.
Musical journey, he used to flee from school, then he would enter studio small. So along the way, he go meet baddest music producer way. Then we call him Not Nice. Not Nice too was vice cartel in Paddy way. Then they do most for studio and stuff. But for some 1 or 2 reasons, now them vibe no they close again. So Not Nice was actually looking for new talents for the industry inside. We as Alkaline they flee, they go studio, they enter studio, he go meet them. At a point, he wasn't hearing from Alkaline again. One day he on in TV, then he see Alkaline for in TV talk for a certain TV channel, maybe freestyle section where then they invite young artists. So as Alkaline go there, Alkaline say this be the biggest opportunity where you go feast promoting talents, like you go show them for the whole country with the internet top. So I can go show in tattoo eye to the interviewer we talk about.
Yo, the play the Africa man say you go the tattoo eye. Yo, we are telling you that.
So he catch attention for the country inside. Say, hey, who be this young artist with tattooing eye? We really gonna yourself. You hear some.
Yo, that's what I'm telling you, say the same scientist thing there, you know, you have to look. Yo, the youth, that tattoo eye thing there. The man research a way, like find a way how for forward night dancers space to get that attention. Like we are talking about attention. We are talking about yo, no dancehall artist never fought in a game like this. Me I tell you, the youth take over a whole globe. People say, yo, who the youth with tattooing me eyeball? Him crazy. You understand? Them time the youth a tour place, you know? And the youth a find the hits them. Same man find out him own way for forward in a dancehall. Nobody no cut him key. You understand?
Alkaline they enjoy the attention. He used that few 15 minutes with them, give him showcasing talent, then boom, he hit the internet. So Not Nice, then Alkaline link up again, then them start to do things. The first song with them will this be 1, 2, 3. Another thing we Alkaline do be say, as he get the attention, he do the song 1, 2, 3. We the song Big Bedroom Fantasy by DNA, yeah, you know what I mean. We people they talk about who be this young man we you know they hear anything like that. We do things me love. We that one too they talk about how he make love. Bedroom Fantasy vibes now.
Yo, them song there are forever live on, man. Me I tell you, 1, 2, 3 things me love and all of them song there. Them song there, me I tell you, man, stamping at the dancehall beats, me I tell you. Yeah, man.
A few weeks, he's another drop, another one. We be tattoo of the 1, 2, 3. We entitled be Girl Breakout. We that one to the vibes, it be the same vibes now. So now they get attention for the country inside. And one thing we now they cause the friction between Indian Vice Cartel be last time he the bleach way Vice Cartel too he bleach. So now they think say Vice Cartel way the influencer. Where he go interview.
Cartel a mentor of yours?
No, I wouldn't say I'm a favorite artist.
Yes.
No.
But how you feel about Cartel? Vice Cartel?
How I feel about Vice
He's
Cartel?
coming to mind every time I hear you talk.
Yo, you know what the funniest thing about that interview, yeah? Winford asked a man how you feel about Vice Cartel. Here, you know, how you feel about Vice Cartel. See? Him like him I say, yo, him think about Vice Cartel every time him see Alkaline. Remember, you know, the youth put in him eyeball, you know. The youth never bleach not yet. All him do, I just put in a contact lens and create a narrative, say. Such and just to get the attention. See? And just you gotta ask a youth how you feel about Vice Cartel. How you feel. That's what I try to show you. Say, yo, the youth smart. The youth never take the bait of the trap where them would have trap the youth. You understand? The youth smart. Cause that them been do. You see me? But listen what I go on.
I don't really feel anything about any men, you know, because that's kind of sound emotional. But I respect Vice Cartel as an entertainer, just like I respect every other entertainer in the business. Yeah.
No special respect for Cartel?
Not necessarily.
So you see it now, the man say, yo, him respect Vice Cartel like him respect every other entertainer in the business. Hear the question when him asks after. So no special rating for Vice Cartel. That's what I try to show you, you know. These people, them no, it's like them no respect what the other artists them are doing a dancehall. The man say him respect every artist. Him respect Cartel like him respect every artist in a dancehall. Remember, you know, a artist them in a dancehall. Then you go ask the man, no special ratings. You understand? Me no know how these special ratings. All of the artists them in a dance, all of the music. I don't know what's special about Cartel, so. You understand? Because Cartel are not only lyrical artists in a dancehall, and not only artists where I put out music. You understand? So when them ask the little youth, about any special ratings for him when the other rest them a drop music. You understand? So the youth smart. Them that try trap the youth in the box. You understand? For drain him energy.
So I respect everybody.
So if
Alkaline sell out the
So the brother here say something. I want to know here what go on.
Barclays. Him go Jamaica, go mash up again after champs thing. And people I say, I make a comparison. Not really I say, but them I make a comparison with both artists. I'm one to say both artists are great artists and they are doing a magnificent job with the dancehall industry. But the issue we may have, just like what Cartel just do, touch the international market and go and perform with Cardi B. That are the thing when we want them get in a them thick skull. So don't limit themselves to only the Jamaican audience and the Jamaican crowd.
Ah boy. So him say what Vice Cartel do. This is the thing, you know. So Cardi B and Vice Cartel been a do work for them their prison. See? A friend them talk to each other. So him just say a while ago what Cartel do. Make it seem like say a Cartel call out Cardi B. And I talk about international. Brother, I in a Florida that. A Florida, bro. You understand? You make it look like a some Australia and some place. A Florida that, brother. I see him arena with Vice Cartel do him show, you know. So when you go say international and brother, diaspora, international mix, everybody mix, bro. You understand? I see him Florida. Cartel the inner arena last year. You understand? So me no know, brother. Sometimes the money talking, I have to just shit, man, brother. Me no know what kind of world them living in.
Because when them do that, them now get the publicity what them supposed to get. Them limit themselves and minimize the extent and the reach of dancehall music. And that's what we want to see. Grow. We see Shaggy, we see Sean Paul grow and extend them reach out there and it become international. Although them signed to a label and all of that, we still have to give them props because they make the dancehall music reach on the next level. And some people are saying them Sean Paul is a pop artist. Me not gonna say that because me I gonna say Sean Paul is a dancehall artist and them just have to just work the journey of the music for reach worldwide. You understand? But as we say, it's a great look in the dancehall fraternity done by Miami with Cardi B, the main performer. But one have to say about that because me like the show and me like what me see, me like the couple of clips, me know say.
So wait, because many people are talking about it. So Cardi B call up Vibes Cartel. That's what I'm telling you, bro. You see, when you run with hype and them thing there. Remember Drake no call up Popcorn back in the days. Look how much international artists call up Jamaican artists on stage. You never run with that. Cartel forward out now and Cardi B call him up on stage. Me not understand this. So wait, me not see something there on stage with Cartel. When him 21 Savage and some other artists. What happened? Me not understand that. It not make no sense, bro. Sometimes when I just run with some narrative would even make no sense. You see me, I see him Florida, I man say international to bombard. And I see him Arena Vice Cartel going on. Ja know that. When I run a hype thing when I run with, brother. Hype thing when I run with, dog. You see me?
Carry out a lot of artists, one heap of artists mainstream on the show. But the one day in particular where you know we have to give what due to season unto season. Cardi B. Cardi B love the culture. And them see the potential of the culture. And we the Jamaicans or the Jamaican artists now capitalize on the fact that the culture is renowned and well recognized across the world. It's just that me think the artists them limit themselves. Them limit themselves to just a particular audience. I mean I talk about the Jamaican and in the Caribbean. When the music.
So you know me not understand people. Them feel like say nobody outside of the Caribbean and nobody outside of Jamaica now listen to the artists them music. Bro, what not talk about? You have white people out there, brother, we are listening to music, bro. Like, when you just feel like say, oh, one set of people are listening to the artists them music. When you sick in on the head, dog. When you really sick in on the head, brother. You see, the artists them are limited themselves. Bro, you feel like say you can just get up as an independent artist and just bust big in the world, so? You think that's how it go, brother? I don't say it go, dog. You see me? At the end of the day, you have to have machines and all of them little things there, bro. The label thing right now, brother, it not have the effect like what it usually have back then. As social media do it. Social media overpower thing there right now. Especially we in the dancehall space right now. Brother, we have a limited capacity of people there. Look at Jamaica with 3 million people, brother. Why you think the artists them in the US and artists them in Africa, Afrobeat? For them think different, bro. Them have the large mass where support them music. And once them do that, the large mass they are pushed outside of the world. You see me? So when I have to look into these things, bro, Jamaica is a little small little country. You see me? You have to look upon it as that as well. You see it? Yeah. Look upon the size of the country them and the continent them that. You see it? You can look upon it and judge it from this as well. You see it? Yeah. Although dancehall, they're big and thing, but like that massive like the other rest them. You see me?
Deserve to be more and a wider scale. We can't make Shaggy. I come run the thing. And Sean Paul alone, I get all of that recognition there. And you know, Cartel, as I say, is a heavyweight in the dancehall industry. Alkaline is a heavyweight. But as I say again, them limit themselves. Them now make the music reach where it's supposed to reach. The music's supposed to reach worldwide. And under the Caribbean, them a focus on. They need to step out of that comfort zone there.
Brother, you have to understand. And realize, you notice when we are talking about global scale, I mostly talk about like two artists really, like Shaggy and Sean Paul. We have to look on certain things, bro. Back in the days, you never have social media and the label them did more effective them time there. You see me? Because them are the most of the world. Now, the social media thing kind of played out them thing in a way. You see me? I have to understand, say, yo, them man there, back in the days, you don't know, them get a collaboration with the big artists them. You see me? Some of them not own them catalog and them little thing there. You see it? So right now, fam, it go more difficult, it go harder right now. Knowing say a lot of people want to own them masters and own certain things right now. You see it? So now and back then and now different, fam. It's different. And I tell you, it's different. You see, cause people want to own them thing right now, brother. Right now, people are trying to get by them whole catalog and them now have it right now. You see me? Especially when retirement start, with the money there, with them are gonna get off of that. You see me? I just one of them thing there, bro. You see, not because Shaggy and Sean Paul do it, means that the whole massive dancehall can do that. You see me? Because those were different timing. You see me? Different thing them time there, bro. It's like the label them did work like social media them time, back in them days there. You see me? So it more easier because we only listen to radio and them thing there. Radio. Watch MTV and all of them look at thing there, bro. Now, we are watch a bag of distraction and every look at thing, bro. You see me? It more difficult now. You see it? Because a lot of distractions, drama, all of them thing there, bro. You see me? But then, it go through one channel. You listen on the radio, them a pump it in the radio overseas and all of them look at thing there. You see it? And you have to remember, say, brother, the fan base. A lot of dancehall artists now have the fan base like that. You see me? I just saw the thing set, brother. You see it? We just have to do what we can do. Maybe one day reach my Shaggy and Sean Paul thing level, you see me? Yeah. That's one of them things there, bro. To make the music reach where it's supposed to be.
It's the time. On the ticket watch Alkaline sold out arena down in Miami. Wanna go watch this. On so concerned about everything with Alkaline I do. On the never go over on the artist. On the even appear on the artist's mind. Same drop on folkry song. The time on the dip on Alkaline. When you go over on the artist, go promote the song, I'll do a foolishness. Yo. Alright. It is very sad when a person don't know if to take the L and just, hold them on. People are going to start clowning them out. They start clowning them out already. But sometimes I must just know if to take the L and just, It's evident, bro. The time up. Somebody tapping on him shoulder, them time up. But him just continuously run on the narrative. I don't know who run him and hype him up, but bro, just hold a L space and just ease. Maybe look a young booby in Island with it, cause bro, you're embarrassing yourself out here. You are embarrassing yourself. Shame on me.
People, you don't know one media facts, you know. Yeah, man. Big up KD officials. You see me? Yeah, man. You don't know. Big up on yourself, people. You don't know one media facts, man. Yeah, man. That is it.